Chikun.
Botan.
Let's create a story video together. Before that, like the video. So I have added the one prompt over here and used the multi-shot and used the model to generate the video is 1 2.6. So it's currently generating the video. Meanwhile, it's generating. Let's go to the another thing here. So here I have created some of the image with the help of Nana Banana Pro. Here you can see the multiple images has been generated by me. On this all I have used in creating one short story. Maybe you have seen before, where we have used some of these images. Now I want to create a one 5 elements video for which I have recently generated all of the image and also created the some of the prompt to generate the video from it. So for that we're gonna use the Cinema Studio so you can know how we can generate a video. So first of all, here we go to the Cinema Studio and choose the image. So for the start, first we need to select the image generation which we have created. Now I want to use this image of the fire. Let me get the prompt of the fire video, copy it, and let me paste over here, generate. Meanwhile it's generating, we will do something for the all of the other 4 elements video. So let's remove this both, start with another with this one. Let's add gel. It's a water element, so here we're gonna add it and generate. Here you can see the all of the things. Now here next you can see the air, then we have earth. Now let's go back to the video where we're gonna do for the air. Let's select the air, add the air video. Sorry, add image. So we have added air's image. Now generate it. So it has been already started. Now we're gonna do with the earth. Let's add earth. I have to go back to this, copy the prompt of the earth, and then first select the earth, copy paste. This is the earth. Now go. I already have the premium. Now we need for the space Akash. Copy it. Here we're gonna paste this one. Here you can see the image we already have for the earth. I'm gonna use this. So let's go back to Cinema Studio. Paste. Let me see, I have the credit right. Why it's not generating? Okay. Oh, maybe my credit has been overused. So let's stop the video generation here. Meanwhile, it's generating. That's the what I have generated before. So here I want to generate one story. A child at a temple who is helping them to the cleaning and all of the monks over there. Here you can see I was regenerating all of the time for the better result. Then meanwhile she was cleaning and playing with the broom. It's created the dragon. By the dragon, she was shocked what happened to her. And then there was a night scene where she was memorizing what happened and cleaning the floor. This was the same video I was regenerating again and again to get the better. Then I have stopped her and created this video, which you already seen that in the beginning. For that, I have other moves.
I spent my youth chasing the wrong girl, ignoring the one who was right beside me. I spent my youth chasing the wrong girl.
You saw that. I have
I
many of
realized
them. Now we get the video for the
I
air
am Agni, the
elements.
fire that transforms and empowers. Feel my flames. I am I am Jal, the water that nourishes and flows. Let the currents guide you. I am I am Vayu, the wind that moves all. Let me lift you higher.
Okay, so because that was three videos in the queue, that's why that not giving the permission to generating another. So now we have generated the three. It's giving permission for the meanwhile it's generating. Let's go for the our last space element. Go here and paste it. Already that was the same. We need to change the image with the space. Maybe we missed here. Here we use the earth image and the prompt.
by the time I turned around to find.
Sorry, that was by mistake. Click. Let's go back to the video. Select the earth element. Here we're pasting the same thing. Select the earth and generate it. No, it's generating. Meanwhile, that was generating. Let's see the other images I have created. Okay, we got the video for the first. We have started with 1 2.6. Not that much as we want, but pretty cool. Okay, let's see if this video is generated or not yet. Okay, so Earth has been generated. Let's play the video.
I am Akash, the space in which all things exist. Embrace the infinite. I am Akash.
Pretty good. Let's wait for another two.
I am Akash, the space in which all things exist. Embrace the
This is
infinite.
the right thing.
I am Akash, the space.
This was mismatched beside that. So here it's generating the real one.
I am Prithi, the earth that holds and strengthens all life. Feel my strength beneath your
Okay,
feet.
so
I am
that's
Prithi.
how we can generate the video cinematics video using the Higgsfield. Also, for that, if you want to use the images you can generate from the Nana Banana Pro model, that will help you make your stories. And from creating this one model, you can create the 15-second video, which is the higher from the all of the limits you can see. Currently, VO3 is also providing the video, but that was the limitation at the 8 second. And if you use this one, it's a 15-second video, so that will be helpful for you to have a long AI videos updated with the consistent character. So, thanks for watching and keep watching the videos, and let's subscribe our channel and like the video. And if you want a prompt of the story or image or the video, just comment prompt and I will provide you. Thanks.